Cucumber water has many potential health benefits, including hydration, weight loss, lowering blood pressure, and skin health. It is easy to make and is an excellent substitute for popular, sugary vitamin waters. Cucumber water is a cheap, quick, and flavorful way to drink and enjoy water. Cucumbers contain a range of vitamins, antioxidants, and other nutrients that might help prevent a variety of conditions, including cancer and diabetes, as well as keeping bones, skin, and muscles healthy. 1. It keeps you hydrated. Your body can't function properly without water. Most people should aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water per day, according to the American Academy of Family Physicians. We know we're supposed to drink water throughout the day, but sometimes plain water gets boring. Adding cucumber gives it some extra flavor, encouraging you to drink more. 2. It helps with weight loss. Sugary sodas, juices, and sports drinks are high in calories and sugar. Cucumber water, on the other hand, has almost 0 calories. It allows a person to enjoy flavored drinks without added empty calories. Furthermore, some people may confuse thirst for hunger and end up snacking or overeating when all they need is a glass of water. When feeling hungry, drink a glass of cucumber water first, to see whether the hunger pangs go away. Being properly hydrated can also help a person feel full, saving them from unnecessary snacking. 3. It delivers antioxidants. Oxidative damage can lead to all kinds of diseases, including cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Antioxidants help to prevent and delay cell damage from oxidative stress. Cucumbers are high in antioxidants and other nutrients. By adding them to water, they make a glass of water more nutritious and antioxidant-rich. Cucumbers are rich in the following antioxidants: calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, vitamin A, vitamin K. 4. It may help prevent cancer. Some early research suggests that cucumbers may help in the fight against cancer. Along with antioxidants, cucumbers also have compounds called cucurbitacins and a group of nutrients called lignans, which may have a role in protecting us from cancer. One study in the Journal of Cancer Research suggested that the dietary flavonoid fisetin, which is found in cucumbers, might help to slow the progression of prostate cancer. 5. It lowers your blood pressure. One contributing factor to high blood pressure is having too much salt, sodium, and too little potassium in your diet. The excess salt causes your body to hold fluids, which raises blood pressure. Potassium is an electrolyte that helps regulate the amount of sodium retained by the kidneys. Cucumbers are a good source of potassium. Drinking cucumber water helps your body get more potassium, potentially helping to lower your blood pressure. 6. It supports healthy skin. Cucumber water can help soothe your skin from the inside out. Staying hydrated helps your body to flush out toxins and maintain a healthy complexion. Cucumbers are also high in pantothenic acid or vitamin B5, which has been used to treat acne. 1 cup of sliced cucumbers has about 5% of the recommended daily value of vitamin B5. 7. Cancer prevention. Cucumbers are rich in flavonoids that might help to fight cancer. According to a 2012 study published in the Journal of Cancer Research, the dietary flavonoid fisetin found in cucumbers may be able to slow the progression of prostate cancer. 8. Muscle health. Potassium is key to muscle energy and can help with muscle recovery. Cucumber is a good source of potassium, making cucumber water a good choice for an active person and people with sore muscles. 9. Healthy skin. Proper hydration can help the body to flush out toxins and keep the skin healthy. Cucumbers are also rich in vitamin B, which can help with acne and other skin problems. 10. It boosts bone health. Cucumbers are high in vitamin K. In fact, 1 cup of sliced cucumbers has about 19% of the recommended daily value. Your body needs vitamin K to help form proteins that are needed to make healthy bones and tissues, as well as to help your blood clot properly. How to make cucumber water? Try this cucumber water recipe. Ingredients: 8 cups water, 2 cucumbers, sliced thin, half a teaspoon sea salt. Directions: add the sliced cucumbers and the salt to a large pitcher or jar. Pour in the water and stir well. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Keep the water refrigerated. Serve it with or without ice. Drink it within 3 days. Making cucumber water more flavorful. Try adding any of the following ingredients to cucumber water to make it even more flavorful while keeping the same benefits: lemons, limes, oranges, sprigs of mint, basil leaves, melon, a stalk of lemongrass, ginger, fresh raspberries or other berries, pineapple. Cucumber water is a very hydrating drink. It has many potential health benefits, including weight loss, lowering blood pressure, helping bone health, and improving skin health. It is simple to make, and people can enjoy it at any time.